Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we are going to see what is pull request and why we need pull request and how we can create pull request. So in every project we have master branch, okay? So and we don't want any user to merge their code in the master branch directly without getting approval and without getting review their code, okay? So they need to first raise one PR so that someone from your team will review that code. If the code looks fine, then only he will approve and he will merge that code to the master branch, okay? So that the main like purpose of PR is removing the conflict and like always making sure that your application is functioning all the time, okay? So suppose if you have any kind of issue in your code that could break down the application and your application will be unavailable, so there is like huge loss will be happen in the project and you might face a lot of challenges there. So to avoid that we need pull request, okay? So let's go first, okay? Here in the our GitHub console, and here we can see we are on main branch. So here it's saying your branch is not protected, so protect your branch. You can click here, okay? So branch name is main. You can choose other branch as well according to your requirement, but in the most of cases we are using PR for the this branch only, okay? Master branch only. So protect matching branches, so require a pull request before merging. I want to required approval, most recent reviewable push, required review from code owner, okay? So let's create it, okay? So that is got enabled, okay? So our branch is protected now, so no one can directly push any changes to main branch, okay? So we are on main branch right now, and let me write some code here, okay? Hi others, how are you, what are you doing, okay? Suppose I have written this code, okay, and I want to push it to main branch now. Let's see what is happening here. Git init, get add, get commit, sorry, hyphen m, added others, sorry, others details or something you can write. So you can see now we have to try to push these changes to main branch. Let's see what is happening here. Git push hyphen u origin, that is main. So error source spec reference spec, okay, main does not match any, error failed to push some reference to GitHub, okay? So that's why like our branch is protected now. So before pushing any code, okay, to this master branch, you have to create one PR. So how we can do it? So let's create one another branch. Git checkout hyphen v, that is QA, okay? So we are on QA branch now. Okay, as you can see here, as you can see it here, right? Okay, so get init, get add, get commit -m and the commit message, get post -u origin, and our branch is QA. So as you can see, we can successfully push our code, okay, to QA branch, but we are not able to push our code directly to the master branch because we have just enabled branch protection rule for the master branch. Okay, so let's go back to the repository and show you. So here we can see QA had recent push less than a minute, compare and create a pull request. Okay, so let's change it to QA. Okay, so QA had one changes to the 1 minute ago. Okay, so as you can see, so let me open this test.txt. so you can see it here, whatever code we have just written, that is getting reflected here. Okay, so suppose I want to copy these changes, like this code should be always available. I want this code to be available on the main branch. So how we can do it? How like we have to click on compare and pull request. Okay, and added others detail, create pull request. Okay, review merge. So review required, here it is saying new changes required approval from someone from the pusher. Okay, so what we can do it here, let me show you. Confirm merge. Okay, so pull request successfully merged and closed. Okay, so we have successfully create the merge. Okay, after reviewing the pull request. Okay, so we can delete those branch. So let's see and go to the code now, YouTube, that is our repository, and you can see QA branch is deleted now. And let's see, we are on main branch right now, right? So open this test.txt. so as you can see, whatever changes we have pushed on QA branch, okay, so that got available on main branch, okay, after getting PR approved and after the reviewing, and we have confirmed the merge request as well, and that code is available on our main branch as well. Okay, so this is the way how we can protect our branch and how we can create pull request. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.